Alright, 3 minus 7, borrow from 10s. Ugh, no, mistake again.
Sammy, did you decide to practice some math?
No, I'm trying to count the days left until Christmas. New day, new problem.
Practicing math is a good thing, but let's make things easier and create a Christmas calendar.
You mean like this one?
No. More beautiful and fun. It'll be easier to count the days with it.
Will it be 3D or something?
Bingo! And that's not its only advantage.
I wish I got a sweet every day after solving an equation.
Then let's go and make it so. Hello guys! Today we're going to make an amazing Christmas tree-shaped advent calendar. Here's what we need for a start. I've colored several paper rolls.
Ooh, I'm a mummy!
Sam, if you don't help me, nothing will work.
So I'm trying to provide a happy mood.
Nice job. You've got a great imagination, but remember business. Before pleasure. Here, we'll place 24 paper rolls in this order.
Sue, your movements remind me of a Tetris game.
Wow, your imagination's running wild today.
Why? Actually, I doubt you can make one.
What? I'll finish the craft without you then.
Sue, I'm just kidding. I remember our cardboard Tetris.
I'm rather serious. I'm gonna finish it myself.
Oh no! Guys, give a thumbs up, otherwise Sue will make the craft without me.
Oh, silly. I'll just secure the paper rolls. Other things we're gonna make together.
Okay. Not a big deal then. I'm curious how branches of an artificial tree are secured, huh?
While you were philosophizing, I put all the paper rolls together.
No one can separate them now.
Just as we planned, who'd like a wonky, insecure tree? All right, now let's outline the paper rolls along the contour with a pencil. This way.
By the way, Sue, are you sure a tree made of paper rolls is the best choice for the Christmas atmosphere?
I'm sure you won't even remember it's made of rolls at the end.
All right, I believe you. What's next anyway? Should I cut this shape out?
Can you?
Ha! Sue, neatness is my Oopsie.
Well, I start doubting. Are you sure you can do it?
Yeah, it's just how your strict look confuses me.
I'm just trying to make sure everything's done properly.
It will be, Sue. I'll cut better than my origami master in private.
Okay, go on. Meanwhile, I'll make a back wall of the same shape. All right, careful. Click.
Yeah, and you doubted me.
You're a master, Sammy, and I've cut the back part for our Christmas calendar.
Cool! I think it's time to attach the rolls to the paper. With a stapler?
No way! We don't need a torn calendar with metal clamps.
Yeah, sounds not Christmassy.
We'll need a glue stick.
Oh, why not usual glue?
Usual glue is liquid. Considering the surface of paper rolls is very thin...
It'll spread all over.
Exactly. That's why we apply glue this way.
Very handy. I wonder why we need liquid glue at all if a glue stick doesn't spread or stain anything.
A glue stick can't secure things as well as liquid glue, but in our case, it's the best method.
Well, let's check it.
Glue the wall very carefully. If it shifts by even 1 centimeter, it won't look nice.
Come on, we can do it.
There, done.
Awesome. Should we glue the back wall now?
Sure, but before that, we're going to do one thing.
Oh, let's fill the holes with fir tree needles so the calendar even smells like a fir tree.
Nice idea, Sam, but I'm sure you'd like mine more.
All right, what now?
I remember you wanted little presents for every day.
Wow! So I can't eat all these things now!
Of course not. We're gonna divide them between each roll.
Oh, I was already preparing for the sweetest tea party ever.
Let's take care and not eat everything at once.
Hey, you missed that one.
Right, let's put a lollipop there. And bring me the knife for this roll, please.
Here, I can eat it.
Look, we're gonna make a little cut here.
So you can steal the candy out of turn?
No, here's why I need it.
Wow, Sue, what a beautiful ribbon.
Yep, I twisted it in a knot like this.
Wow, it's almost a sailor's knot.
Almost. Now we can attach the second wall. Okay, Sam, bring your special Christmas stickers.
I'm ready to sacrifice anything for the common cause.
Great, cut each of them out, please, and bring them back here.
Will be done, General of the Handicraft Unit.
Meanwhile, I'll glue the second wall. All right, guys, I attached the second wall. The base is ready. It's time to transform the tree into a calendar. Sam, you're just in time.
Yes, Sue, I've cut the stickers. Here.
Let's attach our stickers with dates.
So, it's a calendar and a sweets container at the same time.
Right, Sammy. Every day, we can open a new compartment with an actual date.
Well, Sue, now we need some of your magic.
No way around it.
Oh, beautiful.
Now it'll be easier to wait for Christmas, Sam.
By the way, there are dates that passed already. We should mark it somehow.
I get what you're implying, Sam. Let's go have some tea.
Hooray! Christmas tea party!
Well, Sammy, help yourself. We've worked really hard.
Wait a moment, Sue. Let's look at the calendar one more time. All right, we can start.
Well, I'll pick this one. Hooray!
And I want this one.
Just don't overeat sweets, Sammy.
Oh, it smells delicious. Guys, it's a pity that we can't share with you, or can we?
We can if you guys will make this wonderful calendar yourself.
And subscribe to our channel. Woo!
Right, something interesting is coming very soon, but don't forget to hit the bell. Bye-bye!